Hello friends, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni bisingti no 17 tarik May mas 2022 o tarigo notification kaisa rakha o notification bisingti lajaknai tai executive officer finance tei accounts officer lajaknai tei ro tai executive officer ni bagai salary jaktango 40,000 accounts officer ni bagai salary jaktango 35,000 only o bongkha 11 month contract basic ni bagai job lajaknai tei ro written examination 80 marks ni tongnai tei personal interview ni bagai 20 marks tongnai tei rijak tongo date of examination call letter ni bisingti no information runai nei sajak tei rijak tongo name of post ongkha diet executive officer finance tei post tongo 1 tongo o post ni bagai education qualification nangnai master degree in commerce mcom or mba master degree khlaijak nangnai tei master degree khlaijak rwi phano mba khlaijak tongphano o job ni bagai apply khlaimanai tei accounts officer ni bagai post tongo 1 tei education qualification nangnai same no master degree in commerce mcom ba mba khlaijak nangnai hinui sajak tei o job ni bagai apply khlaina thangke chini biodata form no fill up khlai select attested copies document langui no ire address o tongo narwai tongthai guest house khumlung thangui no 20 tarik May mase ni simi 1 tarik June mas 2022 o tarik ni bisingo no thangui o narwai tongthai guest house no thangui joma marinai application form tei time rijak tongo 11 ta ni simi sarik 4 ta jora no application form fill up khlaini bagai o biodata form no ang video ni description o donai tei narok thangui no